Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, the place where wheels meet honesty. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about giants of 2025, the Kenworth RV Motorhome. And trust me, this beast isn't just a motorhome, it's a luxury apartment on 18 wheels. Now, when you hear the name Kenworth, the first image that pops into mind is a rugged, powerful semi-truck built to conquer highways. But the 2025 Kenworth RV changes the game. It's built on that same trusted chassis, but completely reimagined for luxury touring. This thing isn't just about moving, it's about moving in style. Let's start with the exterior. Bold, aggressive lines meet polished chrome, and the custom paint jobs available this year are simply stunning. From deep metallics to matte finishes, the aerodynamic improvements reduce drag while keeping that commanding Kenworth profile we all love. Massive side-view cameras replace traditional mirrors, and the full-length awning extends with just the push of a button, turning your parking spot into a personal lounge. Under the hood, it's powered by a PACCAR MX-13 engine, delivering over 500 horsepower and insane torque to carry its 40-plus feet of magnificence. Towing capacity? You could literally tow another RV behind this one. Smooth ride? Absolutely. Thanks to its upgraded suspension system, you'll barely feel the road, even at highway speeds. Step inside, and this is where the magic happens. The cabin opens up to a smart, high-tech living area with leather recliners, heated flooring, and a touchscreen control panel that lets you manage lighting, temperature, and security, all from your seat. The living room features a 4K entertainment system, surround sound, and even a retractable fireplace. Yes, a fireplace in a motorhome. The kitchen is another highlight. Think residential style with stainless steel appliances, a full-size fridge, induction cooktop, and quartz countertops. You're not just cooking in this thing, you're cooking in style. Move toward the rear and you'll find a private bedroom that rivals some hotel suites. King-sized bed, adjustable lighting, built-in wardrobe space, and even washer-dryer units tucked away neatly. And the bathroom? Full-size shower, skylight, and luxury finishes that feel more spa than RV. But Kenworth didn't just go all out on luxury. Safety and tech are top-notch too. You get lane assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking this beast surprisingly simple. It's like driving a high-end semi-truck with the brain of a Tesla. Now, of course, all this comes at a price. Depending on the customization and features, the 2025 Kenworth RV can set you back anywhere between $400,000 to well over $600,000. But for those who live life on the road or dream of full-time RV living without compromising comfort, this machine is worth every dollar. Final verdict? The 2025 Kenworth RV Motorhome is not just transportation, it's a lifestyle. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures or just want the ultimate road trip vehicle, Kenworth delivers a blend of power, luxury, and tech that's hard to beat. If you're dreaming big and driving bigger, this might just be your next home on wheels. Thanks for watching this review on Honest Auto Wheels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more real, raw, and reliable reviews. See you on the next ride.